Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring the advantages of using grow bags for growing red potatoes. We'll also show you how to plant and care for your potatoes in grow bags for a successful harvest. Let's get started. Grow bags offer several benefits for growing red potatoes. First, improved aeration. The fabric material of grow bags allows for better air circulation around the roots, promoting healthier plant growth. Second, enhanced drainage. Grow bags provide excellent drainage, preventing waterlogged soil and reducing the risk of root rot. Here's how to plant your red potatoes in grow bags. First, filling the bag. Fill the grow bag about 1/3 full with a well-draining potting mix. Add compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Next, planting depth. Place the seed potato pieces on top of the soil, with the eyes facing up. Cover them with about 4 inches of soil. Caring for your potatoes in grow bags is simple. First, watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Grow bags tend to dry out faster than traditional beds, so check the moisture level regularly and water as needed. Next, adding more soil. As the potato plants grow, add more soil to the grow bag, covering the lower stems and leaves. This encourages the development of more tubers. Repeat this process until the soil reaches the top of the bag. Using grow bags for red potatoes offers numerous advantages, including improved aeration, drainage, and portability. By following these planting and care tips, you can enjoy a healthy and productive potato harvest. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore other growing methods. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!